Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install load balancer in the Oracle Cloud Kubernetes servers. In the last video we provisioned the Kubernetes cluster. We can check it's functional using the good OpenLens IDE. You can check this information with the Kubernetes cluster we provisioned. We have two nodes, we have some pods in the Kube space, and we have Kube public namespace with nothing, and the default namespace with nothing. In order to do that, I'm going to show you some installations. We use Helm to add traefik as the Ingress controller, and we install traefik in its namespace with some values. There is some customization in the values for this. For this to work, I'm going to use two replicas, and we enable the service tape load balance, and we annotate the service with the type of load balance to a network load balance, which is in the free tier of the Oracle Cloud. And I annotated the load balance with a configuration, so it will create the security list for us that is necessary for the load balance to work. The Oracle says that this do not scale well, so if you are automating or creating complex deployments, please create your own security list. And then we are enabling the Ingress route, the dashboard. We are using false here because we create the dashboard by hand, and we are telling the provider of the traefik to use the namespace, choose across namespaces, so we can provision Ingress in all namespaces. I also have a customization here, so we are creating a secret for a user for the dashboard, and we are using the resources to create the dashboard and self-symmetric. The dashboard will be an Ingress route with the host name and a user to authenticate in this host. We have a middleware here, so we providing a basic out with the secret we just created. The secret is created using the user files. The user files was created using Apache ATT password 2. So let's install Helm using these commands. Now let's install. First, I'm gonna make sure that I'm using the right kubeconfig. Okay. Now let's install. that I am in the right folder, should work. Because the values are different. Okay, now we have a deployment for the traefik system, which is plugged into the pods. So it's creating the traefik system pods, and should be created the traefik system load balance, which already has a external IP address. So if you try to access this IP address, you should get the page not found, because we don't have a page here. Now we will deploy an Ingress controller. Apply. So we create Ingress route to the traefik dashboard, and now we need to point your DNS to the IP address we just selected for this. Will update my host file. So we need to add IP address. Point it to the host we just created for the dashboard. Now we save. We copy again. We need to copy because we don't have permission to run this. It's not asking. Okay, now we should have the traefik working. Now we have access. And we have access to the dashboard. Here we have all the HTTP paths and hosts we do have. And if we check in the web console, we do have a load balancer here. And we do have in security lists I think it's created, I don't know if it's created a security list. For this to work, we do need to select the subnet while creating the Kubernetes cluster. We do that. And the subnet has a public IP address. We did that when we have installation using Terraform. Create your cluster. We provide a service LoadBalancer subnet ID using a dedicated subnet which has public access. And that's it. Thanks for watching.